guys, thanks for joining me today. So I'm going to be creating this look with a bunch of items that I received from my January Playbox by Sephora. I'm also going to be testing out my new Shape Tape foundation in matte. I am so excited to show you guys what I think of this. So far, so good. Alright, you guys, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for watching. Hey guys. Okay, so let's get started. The baby is asleep, so I'm going to kind of go a little quick here. So I'm starting off with the Fresh Rose Floral Toner that I got in the Playbox. It's this one here. And it's just this cute little white bottle. I typically use my Lancome, but because I wanted to try this out, I'm going to use this one. And I'm just using it on a little puff. Round, whatever you call it. Definitely don't feel any stinging. You saw the redness at first. It's starting to calm down a little bit. It's not so bad. The camera picks up everything, so it's really not that bad in person. From my mirror, I can tell. As you can see, I have some scarring down here, some issues. So that's that one. The other item I'm using today from my Playbox is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is the primer and moisturizer in one. Oh, that's like, it's really it's like a really creamy formula. I'm putting it on my whole hand so I can really distribute it good. If it helps just to get my makeup maybe 4-5 hours worth of use with the baby, I think I'd be happy with that. And then I am gonna actually use my Estee Lauder eye cream. This is, I think it's a Resilient Lift. It's the pink bottle eye cream. My Shape Tape foundation finally came in, so I am using the matte, and this is in light neutral is the color. It is recommended that you use the puff that goes with the matte and the brush that goes with the hydration formula. I think that's correct. I might have got those transposed, but because I purchased this myself, I wasn't going to go out and also purchase the extra tools or whatever just for the one foundation. I'm not going to do that. So it is another little doe foot like the primer, or like the concealer. Light, I say that's a light coat. You want to work in light coats. I'm just going to use this Kabuki from, where is this from? Morphe. Oh shoot. Okay, so this formula is much like the concealer that you have to work. It's thick and you have to work quick. Holy moly, I should have just done half my face. I actually haven't even watched anybody try this yet. I have been so busy in my own life that I have not even, I hate to say this, I haven't watched hardly any YouTube videos because I have barely had any time. Been so busy with my boutique and proof that you do not need to go out and purchase a sponge just for that, just for this one foundation. Don't do it. If Tarte were to send me one, of course I would use it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and I will be right back. Okay, so the next product I'm going to use today for my play box is, well, let me find it first. Jeez. Is the Lancome Base Mascara, Super Enhancing Base Mascara Base. It's this cute little guy. It is just like a white cream. So I'm also going to use my Tarte Man Eater. Right now, this is my super favorite. I have tried another Tarte, like I've said before. I can't remember the name of it, but I didn't really like it. This one, however, changed my world. Amazing, amazing formula right here. I will say, however, that it seems like it only lasted maybe 10 uses, but I put on like 3 or 4 coats some days. If I want really dramatic lashes, but I don't want to wear falsies, I will put on like 3 or 4 coats of the Man Eater. So let's see if this helps reduce the amount of mascara I have to use. It is a nice creamy base. Oh, it's really fanning out my lashes, it seems like, really well. Oh, I gotta stop wrinkling my forehead. Okay, I'm liking it. So far, so good, lovelies. Okay, so I let the base dry a bit, and now I'm gonna put on my Man Eater mascara. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Okie dokie, I'm buying that one in a full size. Look at that. That's after 1 coat only. 1 coat. That is amazing. It seems to have lengthened my eyelashes, as well as really kind of, I don't know, separated them, really made them stand out. And obviously the formula the base dries clear so you don't see it. And it looks like it's helping my eyelashes. Sometimes on this eye, my eyelashes will fold over this way. So it looks like it's really helping to keep them in place and keep them standing up how I like them. Oh, heck yeah. And this is just, I haven't dipped back into my mascara. I've just been using what's left over on the brush, and it seems like it's really, really helping to lengthen and volumize and thicken for sure. You guys probably noticed that I don't use a curler because my eyelashes, I don't really feel like I need a curler for my eyelashes. They're kind of like naturally curly. My grandmother said this like years and years ago when I was in performances. She would do my makeup and she was always like, oh, you don't even need to curl your eyelashes because they are naturally curly. I actually have naturally wavy hair. It used to be a lot curlier when I was younger. Okay, so lastly, I'm just going to set my foundation with the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. Yeah, I'm going to use a lot. I have a lot to do today, so I'm using quite a bit here. Ooh, I just love the feeling of the setting spray. It's just so, I don't know. It's just very refreshing, so refreshing. Okay guys, so here is the final look. I have to say that I am loving, loving, loving this foundation so far. It's very full coverage. I have not seen any cakiness, no drying, no rubbing off, nothing. I don't know if that's, you know, the combination. I've talked about this before. I don't really think that you can judge just one product from mixing other products. You really have to use that one product solely and not, you know, test out any other products. Yes, if you have a tried and true foundation that you have tried with so many different primers, so many different moisturizers, and you know, it's just how it acts just like you want it to, then maybe you try to put in a different primer or something, or a different moisturizer, and then that foundation acts up, then yes, it could be one of those two things, the primer or the moisturizer, and not so much the foundation. However, because I used all new products today, I used that primerizer with the primer with the moisturizer, I used the new Tarte foundation. They are all behaving so well together. It is just such a great coverage, such a great formula, it does dry really, really fast. So you have to work fast or just work in sections, which sometimes I'm not so great at because I just want to put it all on and then blend it all out and everything. I get kind of in a hurry and want to just get done. But knowing that, going forward, I will definitely work in sections. I can say that the color match was just about perfect for my winter skin. If I'm out in the sun a little bit more, then, you know, obviously my skin color or skin tone's going to change. And so I'll need to get a darker foundation, but this one is working out great. I can say that the eyelash primer, wow, the eyelash base was amazing, is amazing. I'm definitely going to be purchasing that one in a full size. Let's see, the primerizer, moisturizer, and primer, I think it worked very well. I did like the fact that I didn't have to do 2 different products. It's all in one. That's awesome. So I might be purchasing that one in a full size. I'm going to use it a few more times. The toner, I think the toner was great. I didn't feel that sting, which is nice. You don't want your face to be burning. And it did make it red at first, but then it just kind of cleared up and it, you know, turned to my normal skin color. That's awesome. So far I'm loving all of those products. The one product I didn't use in this video was the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I have used this already. I did like it. It, in place of that Estee Lauder, did make my under eyes very soft, very silky. Didn't disturb the setting powder or the foundation or the concealer or anything like that. So that is great. That, to me, was a big win because I do like Clinique. Their products just haven't worked for me in the past. I will be trying that out again, and hopefully I can give you guys a better review on that one. So as far as the January play box, every product in there so far I have used and I love. Amazing, amazing products. I cannot wait to see what they send for February. Although I wasn't really disappointed with my December box either, so I don't know. Alright, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you lovelies later. Goodbye!